Hello everyone, welcome to the first lesson of Apen Art Beginners course. In this lesson, we will learn how to draw basic border patterns in Apen Art. So, we will start by drawing lines with 1 centimeter gap in between to draw the patterns. So, just see how I am drawing them. You can also continue drawing the patterns with me so that eventually you can learn. So, here I have drawn 2 lines with 1 centimeter distance in between. So, let us start with the very first border pattern. So, the first basic border pattern that we will draw is the zigzag pattern. So, see, I have drawn a triangle over here, and then again I will continue with the same pattern like this. You can see it has become a zigzag pattern. Now what we will do, we will make small triangles inside the big triangle. And now what we can do, we can fill the smaller triangle with white color. Like this. Now coming to the second pattern, again we will do the same procedure. Draw 2 lines with 1 centimeter distance in between to draw the border pattern. The second pattern is also related to zigzag pattern, but it is a little different from the first one. So let's start. Again I will draw triangles like this. In the first one I have drawn only one triangle inside, but in this we will draw 2. First a bigger one and then a smaller one inside it. A bigger one and a smaller one inside it. A bigger triangle and a smaller triangle. Continue the pattern in all the triangles that we have drawn. Up and down both the side. Like this. A bigger triangle and then a smaller triangle. Now we will put dots in the smaller triangle. So this is also zigzag pattern and it is pattern number 2. Coming to pattern number 3, first we will draw line again with 1 centimeter gap in between. Pattern number 3, first draw a straight line. Then what we will do, we will draw slanting lines from down to up. Slanting lines from down to up. Now from up to down. You will see again this pattern will also turn as zigzag pattern. From down to up. And then up to down. From down to up. And then like this. Continue the pattern. So you can see it has also turned as a zigzag pattern. Number 4, again we will first of all draw the line. Now I have drawn so many lines together, you can also do the same thing. Now this is a coil pattern. This is known as the coil pattern. You can see the pattern is looking like a coil. So just turn and finish it inside. Start from one point, take a turn and finish it inside. Start from the point, take a turn and finish it inside. So this is pattern number 4, coil pattern. Coming to pattern number 5 now. For this we will draw a small semicircle, fill it with color, and then we will draw petals, or also you can call them as droplets. Droplets that are drawn upside down. Now also fill them with color. Again repeat the same thing, draw a semicircle, fill it with color, draw petals or upside down droplets, and then fill them with color like this. The 6th pattern is very easy. You just have to draw straight lines like this, just the straight lines from up to down. Try to keep equal gaps between the lines. This is very easy pattern. Now coming to pattern number 7. For this we will draw a swastik like this, and then 2 lines and fill those lines with colors. Again we will draw a swastik like this, put 4 dots, draw 2 lines and fill the color. Repeat the same thing again. Draw a swastik like this, put 4 dots, draw 2 lines again and fill the color. Now we will move on to pattern number 8. I hope you are enjoying the process till now. If you will keep on practicing, you can do it very fluently and without any mistake. And these are very therapeutic. If you will practice them and again, you will really enjoy doing this art. Okay, so now we will come to pattern number 8. First I am drawing lines. You can also draw the lines like this with 1 centimeter gap in between. Okay, we have drawn the lines. Now see what pattern number 8 looks like. So you have to draw a pattern like this, and then 2 triangles. One triangle here that is upside down, and one triangle straight. Again we will draw the same pattern starting from the very beginning. taking it inside and curling it. Again we will draw one triangle here and one triangle upside down, and then fill it with color. Now we will repeat the same pattern. Like this, and again make triangles, one down and one up. Now we will come to pattern number 9. Let's see how we will make it. Pattern 9 is a leaf pattern. Draw a leaf, make a line in between, and then make the veins of the leaf. Draw a leaf, make a line in between, and then make the veins of the leaf. Here we are drawing standing leaves. Make a line in between, draw lines of the veins. Again make a standing leaf like this, make a line in between, and then fill the pattern. So this is pattern number 9. Coming to pattern number 10 now. For pattern number 10, we will draw a wavy line in between, and then we will draw leaves on both the sides like this. Now it is up to us, we can fill the leaves with color or we can leave it like that only. That is also a pattern. So here I am filling the leaf. With color. It is looking more bold. Okay, now pattern number 11. You have to make consecutive arcs like this, as I am making, and then we will make the same pattern as we have drawn in the leaf one. A line in between and then the veins. A line in between and then the veins of the leaf. Or we can say we have filled the pattern with lines. Slanting lines we have to make on both the sides. Coming to pattern number 12 now. First of all, draw a line, then a smaller line than that on both the sides of equal length, then a little smaller than line, and one more line smaller than that. So we have to go in decreasing order. We will make one line, then a little smaller line on both the sides, again a little smaller line on both the sides, again a little smaller line on both the sides. and one more at the end. So the pattern is complete. I have made this pattern on a distance to show you it clearly, but usually in this pattern we don't leave any gap in between. Put dots above the line. Okay, now pattern number 13. It is also used in mehendi designs. And now we will fill it. Again the same pattern. And then we will fill it. Now coming to the last pattern. Draw a wavy line and then draw a flower. Draw a wavy line, leaves on that, put a dot in between and make petals of the flower. Draw a wavy line, make leaves, make a dot in between and then the petals of the flower. See how pretty all the patterns are looking. So you have to practice all these patterns. This is practice sheet number 1. Do practice them properly 2 or 3 times if you want. So this is it for lesson number 1 in Apen Art Beginners course. We will meet again with the lesson number 2, where we will learn some motifs. I hope you have understood all the patterns nicely and you will try them with the help of the video. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching everyone.